Headmaster, Kannalaj Risiraj Singh, Sir, Registrar, Wing Commander E. Srinivas, Sir, academic staff, administrative staff, and general employees. I joined this institution in 1996 and served here for 18 years. It was a smooth sailing with the cooperation of you all. A lot of good things have been told about me, about my work during the last farewell meeting. I thank you for all of you for all that. The credit should actually go to all officers under whom I served for their valuable advice and guidance. To all section heads who stood with me in fulfilling the requirements of the school, and to my staff who worked under me, Mr. Mahendrakar, Mr. Dandoti, Mr. M.R. Patil, Mr. M.R. Chinamda, Mr. A.R. Kulkarni, Mr. Habu, Mr. Prabhakar, and Mr. Sindri. I also thank all Sainik School staff who wholeheartedly supported me in performing my duties. During the span of 18 years, a lot of improvements took place. Timely fund flow was one of the main factors which contributed to this. Flow of funds increased particularly after the implementation of 5th and 6th CPC. Benefits made available to employees are clearly visible. School budget directly reflects this factor. School is financially sound and we have a healthy reserve fund. Apart from this, we have good infrastructural facility which is matching to international standards. Academic performance of our school is in top compared to other Sainik schools. Although one would prefer to be in the institution, in this situation, time will not wait for anybody. I am lucky to have served 2 years more than others. This itself is a special gift of God for me. I take this opportunity to thank all service officers under whom I have worked, all academic staff, particularly who taught my children in bringing up them in their studies. My thanks to all GEs for their good work. I also thank all my neighbors and well-wishers who helped us during these 18 years and made our stay a comfortable one. I wish you good health, peace and happiness. Thank you, one and all.